In today's fast-moving digital world, SaaS is no longer just a buzzword. It has become a major part of how businesses operate, grow, and serve their customers. But software is changing. The days of one-size-fits-all platforms are slowly fading. Businesses now need solutions that are more specialized, flexible, and easier to scale. This is where the Modern SaaS Cluster comes in. Instead of relying on one massive software system to do everything, businesses can use a connected ecosystem of specialized tools designed to solve specific problems. So, what does this mean for startups and growing businesses? Let's find out. The Modern SaaS Cluster is the shift from large, monolithic software toward a collection of specialized and interconnected solutions. This includes Vertical SaaS, Micro-SaaS, Multi-Tenant Architecture, and API-driven integrations. The goal is simple. Use the right tools for the right problems while keeping everything connected and scalable. This approach can help businesses improve efficiency, reduce unnecessary complexity, and adapt faster as they grow. First, let's talk about Vertical SaaS. Vertical SaaS is software built specifically for a particular industry. For example, instead of using a general platform and spending months customizing it, a sports facility could use software designed specifically for court bookings, memberships, player management, and tournaments. The same concept applies to healthcare, logistics, fintech, manufacturing, and many other industries. The biggest advantage is speed. Businesses get workflows that already match their industry, reducing the need for expensive customization. This means faster implementation, better user experiences, and in many cases, easier support for industry-specific requirements. Today, being more specialized can often be more valuable than trying to build software for everyone. The next part of the Modern SaaS Cluster is Micro-SaaS. Sometimes you don't need a huge platform. You just need one problem solved properly. Micro-SaaS products focus on a specific pain point. For example, an AI-powered tool that automatically generates SEO meta descriptions for websites. It doesn't try to be a complete marketing platform. It focuses on one task and does it well. These tools can be browser extensions, small web applications, APIs, or add-ons connected to larger platforms. For businesses, this means less feature bloat and more focused solutions. And for startups, it creates a major opportunity. You don't always have to build the next giant software company. Sometimes, solving one specific problem for a specific audience can be enough to build a successful SaaS product. A great SaaS idea also needs the right technical foundation. One of the most important models for scalable SaaS is multi-tenant architecture. This means one software platform can serve multiple customers while keeping each customer's data separate and secure. Think of it like an apartment building. The building infrastructure is shared, but every resident has their own private apartment. The same idea applies to multi-tenant SaaS. This offers three major benefits. First, cost efficiency. Shared infrastructure can reduce operational costs. Second, seamless updates. New features and security improvements can be deployed across the platform without every customer managing their own version. And third, scalability. The platform can grow efficiently as more customers join. Of course, proper security and data isolation remain essential to make sure every tenant's information stays protected. A modern SaaS cluster is only powerful when its tools can work together. Businesses today use payment gateways, CRMs, AI tools, analytics platforms, and many other services. Your software cannot afford to operate like an island. This is why API-first development is so important. AP is allow different platforms and services to communicate and share data. For example, your SaaS product might connect with a payment system, an AI model, and a CRM, all working together to create a smoother experience. This leads to composable architecture. Instead of creating one rigid system, businesses can build flexible technology where different components can be upgraded or replaced as their needs change. And that flexibility is essential for long-term growth. At Agile District, we believe building a SaaS product requires more than just writing code. It starts with understanding the business problem and building a solution that can grow. Our approach focuses on user-centric design, so the software remains intuitive and easy to use. We build scalable back-end systems using technologies such as Node.js, Python, and Go based on the needs of each project. And we focus on future-proofing, helping businesses adopt technologies like AI and automation where they create real value. Whether you're building a new SaaS product, a focused Micro-SaaS solution, or modernizing an existing system, the goal is the same. Build technology that supports your growth instead of limiting it. The future of SaaS is smarter, more specialized, and more connected. Vertical SaaS brings industry-specific solutions. Micro-SaaS solves focused problems. Multi-Tenant Architecture provides a foundation for efficient scaling. And APIs connect everything together. For businesses and startups, the key is to stop thinking about software as one massive system. Instead, think of it as a flexible ecosystem that can evolve with your business. At Agile District, we help transform ideas and complex business requirements into scalable digital products. Because your technology shouldn't hold your business back, it should help take it beyond the horizon.